If you want to prevent dementia, Alzheimer's, and other neurodegenerative diseases, we have to make sure that we're cleaning and flushing our brain out every night, right? So our body has the lymphatic system, and that uses lymph, a clear fluid that has proteins and white blood cells in it to clean the body out. Our brain has a glymphatic system, and that uses cerebrospinal fluid and blood in order to clear the brain out. So when we go to sleep, our brain cells shrink so that the fluid can get through the brain and clear out all the toxins, the lectins, the lipopolysaccharides, the amyloids. Amyloids are shed molecules that break off from healthy bacteria and then travel up the vagus nerve to the brain and multiply in the brain. In order to ensure that we're flushing all of those things out, we have to have enough blood to travel to the brain when we go to sleep. So when we eat too close to the time that we go to sleep, the blood is being used to digest food and not to help our cerebrospinal fluid travel to the brain and clear out our brain. So you can't eat 4 hours before you go to sleep in order to have that process work the best, because the glymphatic system works best during the beginning of our sleep cycle. If your schedule isn't allowing you to not eat at that time, you have to have a wash day where you don't eat dinner that day to allow that your brain to recover. If you're eating too close to the time you go to sleep, if you're eating a late night snack, if you're not getting enough sleep, your brain is not going to be flushing itself, and then it's going to have all these toxins and amyloids in it.